Hey y'all, welcome to a 3-Minute Thirsty with the Max. Today I want to show y'all how to make homemade mayonnaise. If you notice your mayonnaise in the refrigerator that store-bought has lots of chemicals and preservatives in it, we are going to do a very easy, very simple homemade mayonnaise that, in my opinion, is way better than the store. So let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do is get an egg, goes in the bottom first. So I'm going to get my egg in the bottom. And let me get my shells in the compost. Okay, now I want to add a pinch of salt. I'm going to add a pinch of pepper. And of course, you can make it as salty or as peppery as you would like. That's personal preference. I'm going to add a capful of lemon juice. And a cup of oil. Now, I have chosen grapeseed oil. The taste is pretty light, but any oil will actually work. So that was a cup, and a kitchen blender like this one or a mixer, anything like that will not work for this. You do have to have an emulsion blender like this. You can pick them up at Walmart. I purchased mine from Amazon, and I have a link to our store for that. Then you want to slowly get your emulsion blender down in the bottom on top of your egg, and then you're going to start your blender on high, and then you're going to see me kind of lifting it up and down and incorporating all the ingredients together, and you're going to see this get thick really, really fast. And you can see that now you have perfect mayonnaise. Okay, you can see that that whipped up pretty fast, and now I'm just kind of cleaning this off because it is thick. I mean, it makes real mayonnaise, y'all. So it's really that easy. Really that easy. Egg, a cup of oil, salt and pepper, and a little bit of lemon juice. It's really that easy. Y'all can do this. Make sure you store it in the refrigerator. It needs to be used within about a week. Happy homesteading, y'all.